G'day viewers, welcome back to the Daily Commute. Just a quick one today. If you are like me and you have white wall tyres, here's a good here's a good tip. Here's a good tip to get them nice and clean very quickly and very easily. I will put a caveat in here that these need to be scrubbed, gumption or something like that, to get them nice and white. But then just regular maintenance after a wash, a bit of brake dust is wiped up on them or splashed across, or you got chain lube or whatever. One, don't have a bike that has a chain and white walls because you're just going to have a bad time. But anyway, here's my hot tip. So here they are. Look, I've just washed the bike. Look, they don't actually look that bad, but there is a bit of yellowing to them. And you know, whatever. I've just done this one at the back here. Just cleaned it up a little bit more. Looks pretty good. That one's getting a little bit more yellow, but it needs a bit of work. Again, these ones over here, but let's have a quick look at how to do it. So I'm just gonna put you down for a second. What you're going to want to get is a cloth, a bit WD-40, and just give it a bit of, you can spray it onto the cloth. I'm restless, so just give it a good soaking around. Don't matter if you get the rim, just give it a wipe. And it should take off all the grime, or most of it. Oh, I'm not a statistician, but maybe like 80% of it off. Yeah, I'll do a bit on there. Give it a good wipe down. I wipe the rims with them as well. Makes the rims look a bit better. WD is pretty good. Like my front, no, I'm not advising you do it on paintwork or anything like that. I do. I don't mind it, but then I'm not as precious about my bike as some people are. Anyway, so that's my tip. Bit of WD-40. Just your stock standard. It looks a little bit better. Anyway, that's been my hot tip for keeping your white walls nice and tidy. And remember, if you haven't already, go and subscribe to this bloke right here. And this bloke, but mainly this bloke. And yeah, have a good afternoon. See ya.